my Facebook friends around the world, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith, Eddy, coming to you live right here in a beautiful 85-degree sunny South Florida day at almost 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And let me tell you something, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith, Eddy has done it again, okay? We are easing on down the road. We're easing on down the road. There it is. Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith, Eddy, woo, has done it again. Well, let me tell you something. We're going to ease on in. We got a lot going on. You better be good to me. That's how it's got to be now. Tony and Alito. You know, Tony, let me tell you something, Daddy. Let me tell you, what you're looking at right now with Mr. Sunshine and his little black box. What you're looking at right now, Tony, this will open virtually every electronic safe lock, woo, on God's green earth. And let me tell you something, Daddy, when you set it up in under 9 minutes, the door swings open, and the customer goes, oh my God. You know what? Let me tell you something. You know, Tony, you may find yourself sitting right over here. They got just to serve you. Yourself, baby. That's how it's gotta be now. 'Cause I don't have the time. You're on my lonely line. You better be good to me. Oh, let me tell you something. You know what? Let me tell you something. Here we go, Tony. I got something for you right now. Ah! Something, Daddy. You got Mission Impossible coming at you live right here, right now. And let me tell you something. You don't need Tom Cruise. You don't need Tom Cruise running through there naked. You've got yours truly, whoa, Mr. Sunshine. All right? And let me tell you, we'll play it again for you. Ah, William Mooney, Tony Adelito. Machine on, and it's analyzing the billions and billions of combinations in under 9 minutes. I turn that song on, and the client looks in bewilderment, and then all of a sudden,
everything's so blurry and everyone's so fake, and everybody's empty and everything is so messed up.
I'm sitting there at the Ben Autograph Hotel partying all night, whether I'm sitting at Taboo, drinking Dom Perignon all night, sitting at Bibbidi Twist with a 7-course dinner in front of me, or running all night long. Whether we're in Locksmith or in a penthouse, making love to a beautiful woman. It's all night long, Daddy. All night long. Woo!